Hey guys, just want to show you this ultrasonic cleaner that I received from the company, and their instruction to me is to put this product to the test. So to put this to test, I'm looking for something that has a lot of things that needs to be cleaned up. This is an old copper pipe, and if you can see inside, there's a lot of oxidation. The same thing with the color outside, and this thing is a brass pipe that also have a lot of oxidation inside and also has discoloration on the outside. So according to the manual, depending on the product that you are trying to clean, you can use any cleaner that you wanted. So they included this jewelry cleaner, but I'm not sure if this is strong enough for this particular item. So let me just put some water in. They said it's better if you can put warm or hot water, and that's what we're gonna do. Maybe we'll just do half so we can see the difference between the one that's been cleaned and the one that doesn't. And let's go ahead and plug this in with the included adapter. By the way, there is a max line right there, and luckily I was just right by the max line right now. Then we can set the timer. The timer actually have 180 seconds, 360 seconds, and 540 seconds option. So let me go ahead and press start. And while we are waiting for this to get cleaned up, this thing actually comes with a small tweezer, a cleaning cloth, your user manual, and of course your power adapter. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this thing out. So this is the bottom part of the copper pipe, and this is the top part. So you can see there's a difference in color between the two. Same thing as this one right here. And by the way, the inside oxidation has been removed. With this one here, you still see the green oxidation inside, but I guess this is because this thing is so thick that the sonic plate was not able to vibrate it properly. But you can see the difference between this portion that was touching the plate and this portion that is on the top. So this is the top, this is the bottom. Again, the top and the bottom. Okay, so now let's go ahead and use the same solution and let's try to clean these coins. See right here you have a lot of discolorations here on both sides. So I'm just gonna go put that thing there. Yeah, especially this one right here. That's 2/4. This is the nickel. And this is the dime. And this is the penny. This is how it is now. This is the second one, third one. So the dime's actually really shiny now. Right there. So there's still some discoloration here. I'm not sure if that is something that you can actually remove, but it is really shiny now.